Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a project that I did for one of my Facebook groups. The group is called Craft Swapping Sisterhood. I'll leave a link below. They're stopping at 40 members and I don't think we've quite hit that yet, but we're really close. So if you're interested, they do a couple of swaps a month. Some are a little more technical than others. Some are, super easy. And they only require you to swap once every 4 months, where some groups are like, you need to do at least one swap a month or, what have you. So anyway, it's a really fun group. And this particular swap was, we had to make 4 library cards and we had to put a sequin mix in each card. And that was it. Like, you can choose your theme, whatever. It was really fun, and I think it's a really cute way to send someone a sequins mix or even send someone anything really that'll fit inside the little library pockets. So let's get started. The first one that I made was kind of like a 4th of July theme. And so I left this blank so that my partner Anna could put her own sentiment or whatever she wanted to on there. And so let me show you the pocket and I'll show you the sequin mix. So here's the library pocket. I used white cardstock and then kind of like put some, what's it called on it? Some ink around it. And then I put this paper and then I just finished the back with a red piece of cardstock. And then I, made a little vellum pocket on it, and then inside is my little sequins mix. The stars kind of get moved around a bit, but you can see like it has the little gold stars, and I put these in there because I felt like they look like fireworks. And then these little like round things are sprinklets, and then there's also some like clay red and blue stars in there. So that was a fun mix to make. And then inside I put 2 pieces of ephemera. I put a sparkler and I put this USA with the eagle, which I thought was super cute. So there's that one. The next one is a kind of like a summery type thing. This one I did a watermelon theme, and for this one I decided to just tie on I had a little piece of ephemera that I punched a hole in and tied it on with some thread. And then inside we have a couple of pieces of ephemera. We have 3. So this one says hello summer days, a big slice of watermelon, and then this one says you are the sweetest with some watermelons on it. And then here's what the pocket looks like. And then I finished off in the back with just some green. And then here's what the sequins mix looks like. So I had this, you can see the little slices of watermelon, the gold and the green. Is there a butterfly in there? Oh, there's accidentally a butterfly in there. That's so funny. That was from a different mix that I did. Okay. You can see little watermelon slices, but then I also had this die that cuts out strawberries, and in part of the die it has like strawberry seeds. So I thought it would be cute to just cut out some black seeds and make it look like there's watermelon seeds in there. But that's that one. And let's see, the next one. Let me just put these in here really quick. I'll fix them later. The next one I did is a Maggie Holmes theme. So for this one, I attached a pretty tassel. So in the back of it, I have some Maggie Holmes paper. I have the little squirrel, and I just used some scraps for that. Let me show you. So there's the cute little squirrel, and then I put some ribbon and trim and lace, and then I did a rose, and I just punched a hole and used an eyelet and attached that. And then I used a die for this, and then I used my friend Laura sent me some Happy Mail, and she sent me some crepe rosette, so I used one of those. And then I used Fun Paper Art. She I bought her a Maggie Holmes set, and so I use one of the flowers from that, and I use one of the sentiments from that. And then inside, I put some Maggie Holmes stickers that I just cut out for her to use. And then here is the sequins mix I made. And it's funny, that watermelon one has a butterfly from in here. So here's what that looks like. It's got, I put little flowers in it, butterflies, and then just like the different colors that match the paper. And then on the card itself, I took the paper and I added stickles to all the dark sections of like the flowers and the leaves so that it would be really sparkly. And then I just finished the back with just like a plain pink piece of paper. And then we've got one more, and then I'm going to show you some extra things that I did during this process. So the final one is a unicorn one. Of course, I had to do a unicorn. Again, I left this blank for her so she could put like her own sentiment on it. This was a button from Walmart that I just cut the shank off. And in that set, it also came with the stars. So I put that on there. And then here's the paper. I love this paper right here. It's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like all the unicorns are shimmery. And I think this is from the Chasing Rainbows paper pack that I got from Joann's, if I'm not mistaken. And then again, I put a little eyelet on there, and then I made this cute little unicorn charm. And I finished the back of this one with like some pink shimmer paper. And then I just stuck this inside as a little gift. These little sticky notes. And then here's the mix that I made for the unicorns. So you can see all the little unicorns in there. I love those purple sequins, those big purple ones. I don't know where I got those from, but I almost used all of them. I need to find them. They're like these big, pretty purple holo sequins. But yeah, so there's that. So we'll put that back. And then something I'm going to try to start doing, which I wanted to share with you guys, hopefully it gives you an idea, or maybe you're already doing it, is I thought, like when I was doing the, when I was making this tassel, I was like, since I'm already making it, why don't I just make a couple of them, and then I'll have them ready for like a future swap, or if I want to send happy mail or something, and then I can just, at the time, I can just put like a little charm on there or whatever I want to put on there, and then it'll just be ready, and it'll just be so much easier. So I made some extras of those. And then also while I was making the library cards, I was like, wait, I've got another 4th of July project coming up. I'm going to make an extra one. And I've got another unicorn project coming up. So while I'm already doing this, I'm going to make an extra one, and then I'll probably just put some stuff inside of it, or maybe make a charm and hang it. I don't know. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Like, you know, if you're not already doing it, I'm going to try to start doing this myself, is just make some extras so you can have them. So like, you're not always like, you know, clamoring to get stuff together. Like you make it easier on yourself, especially when you have like a little assembly line going and you can just like bust out several at a time. So I did that. I wanted to also share something funny with you, and that is this was like my prototype, so not everything like matches perfectly or everything, but you should have seen how many times I had to cut the vellum to get it to the right size. Like, well, let me show one that where it's not covered by anything, but it took me so many times. Like I was cutting it too tall, I was cutting it too wide, I had cut it too small. But I don't know, I just thought it was funny. Do you guys do that? I have so many pieces of vellum in my scrap paper now because I was like trying to figure out the sizes. I don't know, am I just slow? But anyway, I wanted to share that with you because I thought that was funny. So yeah, fun project. Just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to check in the description section for anybody's channels that I mentioned today, or their Instagram pages, or the Facebook group. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.